Good evening. Hi, Golden. How are you? Why you? How are you? Thank you for joining. Thank you for. Wow, yellow. Yes, yellow. The color of the day is yellow. Right. I'm good. How your day? I'm also good. Have a good day. Good day today. Fine day. Yellow man, there's something good going happen in your life. Okay. Thank you, Golden. Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you for the three people in the house. Thank you, guys. Hello, Suba. Good morning, beautiful goddess. Good evening here in the Philippines. Maybe morning there, your country. They're playing outside, yes, playing basketball. The kids, they're still playing. So loud. Bueno. Thank you for the three people. And then, Marcus Root. Hi, Marcus. Hey, stranger. Hey, stranger. Marcus Root. Hello. How are you? Where are you from, Marcus? Where do you live? Thank you for the four people in the house. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Oh, sa gitara. America. Oh, big. Good. Have a nice day, Marcus. But I've been on before. It's been a while. Oh, yes. Okay. Nice to meet you, Marcus. Where are you in America? Here. New York, California, Texas. What else? Chicago, Ohio. Okay, Ohio. About the chicken. Ah, okay. About the chicken. Thank you for the thumbs up. It's 10 a.m. Already work and went to gym. Okay. Have a good day to you, Marcos. Sure, my powerful Filipino. Good evening. Good evening. Good evening to Rodrigo. Thank you, Rodrigo. I'm fine. How about you, Rodrigo? Tip tip like go. Okay, I see. Thank you. I'm fine. What did you ask again? Yes. What it is? Nothing. You answer my question. Like and subscribe. Thank you, Rodrigo. I said thank you for joining here and sticker there. God bless you, Marcos. That's it. Maybe I think. It's okay. Thank you for the 4 people in the house. Thank you so much. 3 thumbs up, guys. Thank you. Okay, you are so beautiful. Thank you, Rodrigo. Thank you. They're playing basketball, yes. They're playing basketball outside. Thank you, Rodrigo. I know I am. Okay. Good. Bumalik sa Manila, ako ay nananalig. Marcos, oh my god, hello brother from my dog is so annoying. Okay. Hello. Hello from Marcos. Oh, I'm trying to lay down, but he doesn't leave me alone. Okay. Maybe he wants to cuddle. You're in the Philippines? Yeah, I live here in the Philippines. Why? Why? Why are you laughing? It's funny. My body was just out there. What? What name? Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. Nobody wanna see us together. My coffee, Cheryl. The coffee is the Finnish. Finnish coffee. I love what you saying. My dog wants cicada. Ah, okay, wants cicada. Yes, I think maybe. I don't know. Have a good day, everyone. Don't have long to nap before going back. Okay. What is your work, Marcus? Thank you for the three people in the house. I drive a mesh to back and forth to work and went them bulldozer. Ah, okay. Bulldozer. Take us there and after work, Marcus. Always take care. Have a nice day. Have a good day. Thank you for the thumbs up, guys. Thank you so much. They have more burgers. Okay. Horse. Horse. I am at work. I will be back. Okay, bye-bye. Bye-bye. Thank you for joining here. Rodrigo, God bless always. Bye. Thank you so much for joining me. God bless you. Thank you for the 4 people in the house and for the thumbs up. Thank you guys. The thumbs up. Thank you for teaching me how. The emotions. I love Filipinos forever, my praise. Thank you, Rodrigo. God bless. Thank you so much. Thank you. I'm close to being monetized. Yes. I just need to to reach the watchtower. I need watchtower. I need to reach the 40,000 40 watchtower. Too close. Close. I need to reach the watchtower. Hope you watch my videos. It helps me a lot to turn to grow my watchtower. I haven't, but I will check them out. Okay. Thank you. Thank you, Marcos. Filipinas are beautiful. Thank you. Thank you, Marcos. My hair getting grow again. Grow. You're welcome to Lady. Thank you, Marcos. Kanta. I just need to lay down. Your hair looks nice. Thank you, Mark. Alright. Thank you, Marcos. Wait a minute. Cupping my. Oh my god. Thank you. Get nice. Thank you for no. Hagar tonight. Hagar tonight. Joshua Charity Vlog. Good evening. Okay. Bye-bye. Have a great day. Bye. Bye, Marcus. Ang sexy mo. Hindi po. Camera lang yan. Bye-bye po. Mag-end na po ako. Salamat. Thank you for joining, guys. God bless you. Bye-bye.